Nwani ni ndị Ụkwanị TV kete ni ndị Ụkwanị TV ya ka ekwu banyere nsogbu dị na mba na ndokwa nation chini oge obodo dịta bebe dịka Ogume ni Ọnịcha Ụkwanị na-enwe nsogbu ya bụ agha Ogume na Emu obodo dịka Ụmụaja ka Obeti Iselegu ni Ibabo Amai ni Ejokpo Ụmụkwata ni Ebete ke Amai na Ụmụegwu ke obodo dịta bebe nke nyarịkịta na-enwe ife kpọrọ land dispute time after time and ife kene ọdịfụ kekeshi ọsasụ a kene ọ na-eripiti enwe ihe bụ gọọmenti ke ndị mmadụ na-enwe ni role play ka ọ bụ si ndị mmadụ nke na-ebigbame na abekwusi Ọsacha bụ Ụkwanị Ọsacha bụ ndị ndokwa anya bụ si Ọsacha bụ ofu bụ webụsa kọfụna ebe okwu a na-ede anya bụ ofu nwene na nwene ndị na-asụ ofu ọnụ na-etinye egwu igbewe na ese anị bụ anyị na-aṅụsụ ụghala ya ofu ụbọchị keteni ndị Ụkwanị TV a ga-ekwuru ofu nna anyị bụ expert in security matters efe bụ Dr. Eric okenye ka kọwa nwatife ọmarịrị banyere crisis in the ndokwa nation not in the Ụkwanị TV. Doctor, Elisa, not in the TV. Ya no len call na shi ne ebido se. Ni ife kene ofu nsogbu ko se anyị ga-ezomegbu abilibisi Ọsacha bụ ofu bụ n'enu amana anya bụ ofu na ezani ani aka anụsụ ụbọchị anya agharị dedi nneni ki nneni na-eshi chini nsogbu anyị na-apụsa kechi ọsasụ ọrụ na-egosi ebe asụ ụgwọ ọfụ wee ndị mmadụ esiri pọma siri egbe do na-egbu ụbọchị mmenwa ụfọdụ gwụrụ ọhịa ashe na-ewuzi ka nneni bụ the root of this whole matter and case I say it still persists up to date. No answer.
Yeah, mbele wuru kodo bu nkekene wuri injini broshe gidi making broshe mbonye ka barokan this topic.
Yes sir.
This topic. If you go before we could solution to this crisis, only the history. Okay. The beginning, really, it's in the beginning. Oh God, also planning when I found me the way. My number man, the big command. Obviously, crisis, I didn't know again, but you can only inquire or get it. But it's now. They don't know my blown after. And I didn't use well in me for no break and then. Why didn't they, which is I condemn that way in my group. Before to them, I kitana, I didn't put well is open. One may cook favor Okawa. Nay, kitana, I had bath, good. You have to okay, my one, I went see, oh God in the bush. So the cool level. Oh God in the bush. When you can equal a union, oh God in the bush. You need 4 million. Where can we cool so ere no mu ere na no ku ke no chelente so we no sofo we can na make aka no mu na make put for job say therefore ere no maru e ku na ko na we kan na we will shi keta nwo foto shi if you say shi crisis na bo nwo foto ndele ku shi oge gbo ega de ife mwere mana so mwere ma maru bere ni se biabe enwe mo ife nka awo enwe mo ani ji wo o si were pe ro na aro enwe eji pe ro na aro were pe ro na aro we na aro aya na aro umu na posa wo si na ro we kuro ni na ro we na aro so la ku so kuro na ro na aro o sa iki mara se ni ikusi na fukwe ko no jogo ne no shiwe me no bunna ro ne ka gwa shi ogo ke we na ye o we na ye o ofo another one na shi bo e garden oge ke no maru buroku ko wan maru mi fo ka ro o fo nye ke no di we ra ne ba mi be fo na ba mi be no obi ro shi fe o foto do fo ta bara sha no o fo de ka bara wa no ndenu ko nde wemelo ki be nde omo we sa ni ke ni ba ni na ni before she ani we you know what the story by story the story by story yes sir then cause ashebo ogbe Peter Magida if you know he was a crisis I'm going to cultural perspective
yes sir
ogbe before to know na ife ke ngada before ka wada we wadik we wule before to ikuru dem like Peter man wadik we wule we mebeli beru panela only for no ne ben no ma se cafe ya we le fukeni we le jozo when nobody see if very much often where you flow 100 by 100 where there was over 100 by 100 she fell in on 50 by 100 she could cover out to get we no say crisis in Makolishi then the current one was a big problem the issue of oil oil Katanabi was a problem yes oil but the major issue if you bodo na no so na zo wane man ko so mu regime no see egbebunu in the next 20 years in the next 30 years when you get buri soko when you get buru see you wish we ke bata ko oil ni no wana na eku many bia together many not live together when you get buri soko when you get buru ebi no in mari no fashion na ma na aru asilogo isobu we mwe se be ma kono oil ofo de dey musu ke ni shiwe we ke ni musu ke ni shiwe we ke ni oil no na dey we say crisis and then my mother go say oil di nebenu we kwediko and when and the security for him ogo na present paper ya because we want Europe cost Europe na she cost theory and ogo na analyze no panic and ogo na analyze this cost theory yes sir ogo na analyze it or she anywhere there is oil especially in Nigeria that they pick instead of getting benefit because of the position of the oil because of the position of the oil instead they are cost
exactly
so it's a paradoxical relationship very paradoxical in nature in the sense that what that is supposed to be of benefit to the people now turn to the cost people will die brothers will be enemies families in fact enemies everywhere yafumule ni mule we na mo onije kije position of CLO onije kije contact man onije kije I don't know what they call it because if you get man I crack my brain onije kije ni from obodo zota we put us okay this community will say this quota this community will say this quota onige si medo obodo na azo onye obodo ye we ke fo si ko e ga si obodo no we bi la imuso je si na azo we ko fa si ki musu family no je no so pass ko no o fu mo ne blo na azashi I don't need to go so those things another problem no na cause this issue
there only measures that is the solution to this crisis because it's a recurring one and several communities in the coalition they know this issue
yes you see this thing is a very big issue because the thing has eaten deep into the fabric of the society. For me to provide solution again to that particular, there are a lot of issues to be discussed. That the society is bastardized. For instance, if you look at the family structure, the socialization issue of the family is very, very porous. Parents are not guiding their children well. The structure of the society is dilapidated. So the best way for us to overcome that is reorientation. You understand? To rent the issue of employment, engagement. Because I'm not actually the foot hand was on in my village. And you can make a Kawakushi well, look at 100,000. Maybe we will push well like me. Look at 100,000. When they be from the winner. No, it could take any case. Can this case? Can you resolve it? Because afford to one small portion of land, right now, 100 portion. You understand? They can resolve because we move it for it.
Yes, sir.
We move already now. We can forget about that thing because we modify and manage it. And they just pray that God should be their final judge. But don't be feel now. You can kill because of 50,000. You can kill because of 10,000. So another one is to make sure that our youths, especially the youths, be engaged for proper upbringing. So you know it's good, that is the major issue.
Then see in the West if now dinner animal. Ni what might be don't know. When I saw to yes, you where will go Papa?
No, if you can either Obodo no.
Yes,
Obodo no.
Yes, sir.
Because Obodo no, I thought she come if I want a pride. She they Obodo can the pride comes into play. Psychological disposition comes into play.
Yes,
you see people bringing resources to make sure that then I know. When they will say resources, you see, there is no way this issue of violence can be the final arbiter of dispute resolution. You must come to the round table after a fight. You must come back. So whether they use gun or they don't use gun, we cheers by settling the table. So now their perception of life be very, very myopic. Ordinarily, we're supposed to use the last solution, that is the alternate dispute resolution, to come into play. But sometimes, in some cases, when we can use that one, but it didn't work. That is why sometimes, according to Kamans, he said the conflict is good for the existence of the society. Because conflict can bring functions and dysfunctions. You understand? Can bring positive change and negative change. So, but anyway, you might as well say she winning. He will rock. She also she knows because she made a mistake to gather all of us here as one, speak one language, have territorial boundary among other ethnic nationalities. So God has brought us here and must also so we don't know. The people should forget about pride and look for a better alternative. And that better alternative is first of all having it in mind that we are brothers and providing solutions. You can't win all. Okay, give and take.
Exactly.
Give and take. You understand? But people are not willing to give up at all. They want to take all. So that is where government cannot come in and start as a final arbiter. And if government look at it and that these people are not heeding to their advice, they should take over the property and cite prominent or just use the land that we make, that they can make use of the land for the betterment of both communities.
Yes, sir.
For instance, I don't want to mention name of community. I don't want to mention name of community. Anywhere we have crisis in terms of land dispute, and all the means of resolving it proved abortive. What they need to do is community can come or government can come and take over the place and establish anything that can yield dividend to both communities and employ people. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. They can put universities, they can put polytechnics, they can put whatever industry they need.
Government Nigeria now. You didn't see this case in view. The gay Amai and the Jopo. Because sometimes all the way or not, but when no, they kidnap them out. Governments will intervene on the matter, and in the long run, which we can know, hear the good communities. You didn't see, and that issue, that approach would have been applicable to Amai and the Jopo case also, Amai and Umugu case also. But Kenu was suspended now. You know, see, that is the better option to resolve this issue. Also, other methods they try approach it failed. Government be a kid I don't know. See, or can a back or can you see you can solve the problem?
Yes, I can't. It can be because I don't know the nitty-gritty of that case. I don't know I can't. I'm not an authority in that particular that particular case.
Yes, sir.
Because I've not done my proper investigation on that particular issue.
Yes, sir.
But to me, they should provide a solution that both parties can adhere to. You understand? And
yes,
carry everybody along, just like what you said between the right communities and they are settled. You know,
yes, sir.
see, you can have 10 persons can have the same problem, but they can't solve it in 10
ways.
They can't solve it in one way. They can solve it in 10 different ways. So, because they have solution, they have the result in solving this particular problem, does not mean that same solution, that same pattern can be applied in another one. Okay. But as you look at, we call it the exigency, the situation, the contingency of that particular area, and provide a solution that is contingent. You understand?
Yes,
that particular matter.
That will bring us to the next issue we have here. This issue of oil now,
yes.
You go see go na for down na throw money around. Go see go that na call no for so. About it here can if for just be youth restiveness it may increase cultism, the quest to make money at all costs, or if we increase among our Ndokwa youth. Killing na cost and they okay make it something that na or die that than Ndokwa.
Issue of oil and crisis.
Yes, sir.
You see, when you will say the issue of oil and crisis, it's not only peculiar to the one issue. It's general in Niger Delta. See, the discovery of oil in Niger Delta brought a lot of crisis from the time of Isaac Adakapo's period to the time of militancy in Niger Delta. Over the issue of marginalization of the Niger Delta people, over their resources. You understand? So the crisis as a result of discovery of oil is a double sweat. That is, it has multifaceted direction. First of all, from the oil company. The oil company on their own believe in creating crisis. That if they don't have crisis, they find it very difficult to operate.
The oil companies themselves?
Yes. They create crisis. They try to feed this person negative information, feed this person negative information, clash communities. And when they clash communities, communities will be in crisis. And assuming that if there was nothing like a crisis, they would have, they are able to spend up to 100 million. But if there is crisis, they will spend not less than 20 million. They will just give this group 10 million. They just give this group 10 million. But with the introduction of crisis, with the introduction of crisis, it will be less expensive for them. But no crisis, it will be difficult for them to operate with less money. So first of all, they bring crisis, introduce crisis. And how do they introduce this crisis? They will come and tell the community that some people came to tell them that they want to be recognized, that they are the youths. Then the elderly one will say, no, you don't recognize the youths. And they will tell the youths, I'm just giving an instance.
Yes, sir.
You understand? So they create crisis. So from the onset, they create anger within the people. That is one. So the people will never be united. Two, because they are not united in terms of welcoming this oil company, a lot of crises crop up in the village. People start to tell different types of stories that my family owns this, my family owns that, that is one. Two, the community themselves is the one. They will be in perpetual crisis. Because we're creating for that crisis, it's not left for me and you as a brother. See, because if you can let that on many, then I'm foreigners. Can they really need to maybe shaking so that they deny him? I don't know whether you understand.
Yes, yes.
I didn't even will be in perpetual bondage, and they will come and tap our account and go. You understand? Before you know, they will give us stipends. This one will come, they take 1 million. This one will come, take 1 million. You see our leaders wearing red cap. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Going to meet them, they give them some package, and before you know it, the youth will agitate. Because, for instance, this issue of sharing Formula 2 in the community, when Barry said, your father will take, your not to will take. Yes, I quite agree. Some people in the village, and maybe not one was one.
Yes, sir.
They were with their family. Before proceed, we were in that particular village. I don't know whether you understand.
Yes.
So you see this group of people fighting to get whatever, because when that was a any portion. For instance, also with respect to say thanks Lord. Bia obodo na. So ko baroku we, onotuku we, ochahari, keni we. O baroku no ke ogu se nwa, onotuku we ogu se nwa. Before you know it, also you be see was o baroku we say, onotuku we say. So those youths we agitate. You understand? Those youths must surely agitate. And in the process of agitation, crisis will come, killings will come, and fashions will come. Although the next Yabu will know one challenge you not to challenge your Baruku so that they can shift and get another, so that Ono Baruku getting a worship or not to get a worship, they will get their proceed from that particular angle. So we should also look at sharing formula. That yes, I'm not saying Obaruku and Onotuku, they are ordained by God. So when they give to them, they should also think of expertise knowledge in that particular area they are going to select people for that job. And not only that, only no na awo no na abiobosa. Yafu sure be sure ke kifuno. Mbo Benamberi, mbo bodo, ke kifuno. One the Lagos. Mama na jobosa. Then them no the jobosa I don't know because it's part. Only the case no the jobosa then the portion because no bodo nya ni mo portion. Elekushi ogui nezukwogu. Then ogui nezukwogu e born. Ofoto man no bodo na shine wo say go na yimu na bo ezukwogu we. Ezukwogu we ni. You understand? So but in the man exist where. Ya funa member you say when in London to be contact man. Funa where to be CLO. Bunu na ogwu no na ejule na ejo rosa. Na ejo bodo o shi crisis no bodo. If you know there, we hear Cornelia. So those things, a lot of issues, and in general, unemployment is the major problem that is causing all this crisis. You understand? You feel now, you can neglect all those things as a majority, but you cannot neglect it when you don't have.
Exactly.
That is the issue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then this issue of boys are now. Need kind of courtesan that. Then the one is they made the quality now. Ubufuku, can walk in a quality in particular. Kelly needs, she has never seen who court get on one. Then the condition, above by word.
I'm a master's degree holder in peace and conflict resolution. So that is my area too. The issue of courtesy, especially coming to the community, metamorphosing from the university to the community, it's a very serious issue. The extent that even before, the only graduate people were in the university or the graduate after graduation were the people that were involved in the issue of courtesy.
What is it?
So the situation went by seller, mechanic, carpenter, Okada rider, even the goods and the bags and whatever belongs to the court. Since that time, the thing has backstandized process. And it seems if you don't join it, you are not a man.
Yes,
There's what we call manliness. You be man enough. And because you want to be man enough, you want to belong. That is the perception.
Yes, sir.
You understand? So, but the problem is orientation and the family background and the community you find yourself. Because the school you go, you have people there, they initiate you. The association you mingle with, some of them are there, they associate you. And parents are, in fact, parents are also not doing well to push it, to checkmate their children not to be there. And that one is poverty. Because not there. I did be young, I mean, and one she, the no reason no school fees. On the room around the streets. You don't like that. Can you talk to your son who you cannot take good care of? You cannot sweep 3 square meals. Whereas all people will know you are funny, you are carrying bread in here. But your boss business in this place, OG 37 business here. Parents will actually move your money. Parents will clap at genetic. I'm not for money. Which pay certain bottle, which meat pie, was a fried rice, or we would get then back when I see young better girl women. My work is not a or come or not, she had enough food. The woman is pushing the idea to plan to that important because of the benefit the woman is getting from that one. So this issue of courtesy and the operational mechanism is different from what I'm saying. I'm telling you what prompts this people to be in court. Then another one, they feel they want to be protected. Because if I'm not in court and you are in court, you do all sorts of things in society. If I want to do, maybe I'm going to do 1 or 2 things, people will threaten me. The high court will say they are threatening you because you don't belong. You understand?
Yes,
so before you know it, you have to belong. So that that person that is threatening you will not threaten you again. I don't know whether you understand. And they also lure into it by friends will lure into it that if you enter this thing, you will be this, you will be that, you will be in this round, you will be in that round, you will be this. You control whatever you want to control. Mundane something. You understand? Control anything, you make more money, you do this, you are protected in the society. Before you know it, a child of 11 will easily be lured into it. Because from that tender age, I've not seen any person entering court as from the age of 22 or 25. Now, they enter even at their tender age. That is why some of them are even regretting that they don't know that this is how this thing operates. They won't have been there. But in those days, you enter when you secure admission to the university. But now you see the primary school students are there, secondary school students are there. And if you see these people that are doing this heinous acts, these people that do all sorts of things among themselves, and people, if you see their age bracket, hardly you see somebody that is 25 years doing because they don't know what is good and they don't know what is bad. And they feel like youth exuberance. They are enjoying it and they don't know what they are doing. So that is that.
And you see this issue of courtism and all that, it's now posing a threat to this coming general election back on it.
Why? It's not even only now, even before and even tomorrow. It must pose threat because politicians will use them. And this period, politicians will service them.
Exactly.
And because they are jobless and somebody is now recruiting them. And that is their field of operation. And it will not go because there is no way, as a criminologist, there is no way where, in fact, from my knowledge of criminology, there is no way we can eradicate crime. The only way we can do is to limit crime. The only way government can do is to limit it, but the thing must be in existence, it must exist.
No,
there is no way you can eradicate crisis totally in the earth surface. Except God. The only way we human beings, we in this area are trained to limit it to the barest minimum. I don't know whether you understand. There must be crisis. You see, according to him, I don't want to go into academics because can they be for one hand?
Yes,
the person has so good. Name me say.
Yes, sir.
What to go to say crime is necessary for the existence of the society. And they don't accept it. Because without crime, there will be no police. Without crime, there will be no army. Without crime, police will be jobless. Without crime, we will not fence our house. There will be a lot of issues.
Yes.
You understand? So, but with the issue of crime, people now engage other people to protect them from criminal activities.
Yeah.
So crime must be there, and crime is there from origin of man.
Ofuma go say, why should we rest in peace? Why we can live in peace? So yawo there is say Okwane Ndokwa nation can at least bigger than Udogida.
Yes.
Say and in particular, say can they so Ayija ne mari nyan Ndokwa. If onye obiara bufo nya amai, onye mgbe bufo nye amai. Wa ngni bolke nwane nwanare. Onye ogumefu onye mu wa ngni bolke nwane nwanare. But we be go funa an Ndokwa. Ikusi a njeko amai ko njeko omogbo. Njeko be je mu wo. Guess they don't need at least big than Udogida.
Yes, when you for money, oh God. When you for money, distance.
Yes, sir.
And distance, the cohesiveness of distance. You understand? The more distance you are with somebody, the more better life you receive with the person. But the more closer you are, the more
yes,
more elements of pride and frustration comes into play. That is why the issue of love sometimes, when 2, 3, 4 days, 1 month you not see your love when you are dating, they try to trigger a lot of staying with you for 2, 3, 4 days.
Yeah, exactly.
You understand?
Yes.
So it's purely psychological. Like I have such experience. My brother is from during that particular time. My brother was chairman of Ndokwa people in Montreal, in Canada. One Imo guy was a secretary in Montreal in Canada, and that time Imo and had issues. I don't know whether they are calling us resolve this. I don't know whether you understand.
Yes,
and they died and went. Even me, even during that time, my best friends are from Imo. And when we discuss, when we interact, you find out that this type of people are not interested in the battle.
Yes,
and these battles are caused by the downtrodden. The flavors, let me use those words.
Yes.
Those ones that don't have future, so that there will be crisis. I don't know when I say, you see, I have friends. During that I got to Emu, my friends they come to my place. And my people cannot do them anything. And it's only the fear. Don't go to Gumel, don't go to Emu, or don't go to Kwanyo, or Chikwan, don't go to. It's just fear. And because the reason why we must fear, some wicked elements can trigger off crisis and decide to attack. That is the reason. If not, 95% of them are not getting towards conflicts or war. People that cause war, very few elements in the society. And they will not consult the community before they will go and do such thing. They will just carry whatever they want to carry. And that is not, you understand, before you know it, we kidnap Wolf Race Woman. Before you know it, they trigger off crisis from that place and over there. Some of them will say, yes, now sometimes war is a means of business. International body, they are involved in all those things. Why do they produce gun? Why do they produce bullets? Why do they produce all those things? So if I have a company that is producing those things and there is no war, how am I going to market my business? So I can sponsor some skeletal crisis so that they can buy my business. My product, you understand? So those things are there. You can't remove it. You can't remove it.
Okay, as a way of concluding, can be your advice to these communities and the oil companies that are communities will land disputes?
Yes, the advice is that can you really calculate with you? Because that is the first thing. You know with you. If you do not play with you, you are natural peace, even when they insult you alive, because you have the fear of God. And if you do that, any other one, you can get it. Any other one, you will play with you, actually with you. Only crisis A part and crisis B part, and you are playing with you. Many don't have the power. You see you agreeing sometimes. You see me, I do it sometimes. Before you know it, we all agree. And before you know it, the crisis comes because we have the fear of God. Then another one is parents, guidance, elderly people should say the truth and tell their children their words, if they know the major, and rebuke them. When we say if you really want, imagine that no, the 17-year-old boy, he was a spider. They usually do it. They say they lie, got some back up. Yeah, June why she very fit in the It's very, very bad because one day the thing will cook you. So orientation, proper socialization, as proper upbringing matters a lot. Then, and now with the way you behave in house, your children are also seeing. Your children are also seeing. Parents are watching your people, your works are watching. You marry man. They are not doing all those things. They may fortune. Between them may fortune. For instance, let me give you one example. I know in psychology. We call it double bind hypothesis, double bind theory, like a cause abnormality. Now, if they say, how can you look at then the next moment, the friend of fear, you joke, your children will be confused. First of all, a few minutes ago, they don't understand. Now, you are not telling us to tell that man that you are not around. So there will be confusion. So the child, the ability to weigh the two options become double bind. I feel like psychology will become double bind. So they may decide to take the one they like, and children think towards the negative more than the positive. So our upbringing, socialization process, learning process should be well nurtured. Should be well nurtured, especially telling your people that she forged her them and be contented with what you have. If you can even be contented with it, you can't carry the world away. If drag it as all this words, you see Obushi Pana in a negative way. Your children will say them. We will have cocaine. We will laugh with Tramadol. We will have Funjo. Yeah, if you acquire land, acquire structure because you want to make, your children will sell it. So the best way and now is to train your children well. So that your own building, your own land, your children say, that old house, what am I going to be? What am I going to do with that old house? That is a joy because for parents, no more. I laughed at them. You don't build house and build for your children. I said you are not wishing your children well. Well, exactly. If you are wishing your children well, you will not build house for them. Because I've seen situations where if you train your child well, if he comes to your house, you say, Daddy, this your house is old. This your house is old. I want to go and have my own there. That is life. But you didn't train your children well. Build whatever house you are going to build. You will be allowed, they will be dragging it.
I neku by any mkpọtụ dị na mba dị ndokwa n'ebe a na-ede n'ebe okwu court dị ka ebe oye dasị ọ bụ ihe ka ba akọwa okwu na ife na-ewuse okwu na ka ife na-ejesi udoba adị n'obodo n'ihe ọjọọ bụ na-enwe si mmadụ fu onye ka ihe omekọta ọfụ na onye igwe ihe bụ ọzacha bụ ofu onye bịara kwụ na-ekwupụta na-asị onye mgbe bụ adagị padụ ofu onye mgbe bụ na-ekwupụta na-asị ọsị ọfụrụ ga na amaghị sọsị plen bụ plen ka aga na-elu amaghị si na ọgwa plen si ajiri ofu ka o were ụkwụ si ebe ọzọ ga bụ plen ka aga na-elu amaghị kedu bụ na-akọwa na-esi the enmity or uship ndị igwe ọsị ụkwụ aja ka fụ anya aga na amaghị so anarị ndokwa na ndokwa si ka biko kọsaịnti dikebe ka nna ebe bame ka okwu anị ba na-ewesi ibe ka esi mmarufu onye ibe nwe bụ na-asụ mfa so mekọsị ọfụ na onye idu ka onye Hausa biko ni ọsaịnti bụ ofu ka okwu anị isu anaghị ebidozi ndị ikorobịa n'ikele ọgbara si ndị ikorobịa ka akwọsọ na ndị n'inwe ife na-arụ na ejenu kpoko na na adọ mkpọtụ biko nye kwuru nọrọ ọsụ na ka awọrọ ogwu n'ọrụ na ụnọ ke ndị keji awọ ogwu ife keri kwe ji arụ ife keri mgbe ejin ba ndị nna akọsụ mkpọtụ na mba na ndụkwa anaghị ka arụsị silebu na ibabụ nọ n'ọgwụ asụ na anaghị ka arụsị emu na ogume nọ n'ọgwụ anaghị ka arụsị ogume na ọnụchụkwanyị nọ n'ọgwụ anaghị ka arụsị ama na umebu nọ n'ọgwụ na asụ akene nọ na abọ bikoni ụmụseti na emu esi anya chere ka arụsị ụnụ n'ọgwụ bikoni ke ndị nọ na-achasị anyị na-ejike mesinye n'ụlọ na aka na-akọsọ ọgwụ na ife ụlọ nke rụgbo na-ekwuso na-erepresenta anyị bụ oru obe na-erepresenta ka udobadị nwanya mụfe ahụ na ebe a na nụasị unu na-eje na ekwuru ndị maka ose relief materials bụ ife ụzọ na osinyekwela na gbamdosi n'oge esinyekwela biko ni ka udobadị na mba na ndụkwa Dr. Eric anyị na-ekele igwe na-efekiri gị na enyi were kpa anya ụka na ndị ụkwa Naịjirịa ọ bụla nsị ụbọchị ọzọ akpụje ka na ọmụzọ si agụfụ n'anya ka isi onye kpara ịkọgazi ụka mgbe n'igwe Eliza
the last one Tiono will advise our people my election to the back on it.
Yes, sir.
If you make vote because this platform has no campaign platform. Even the push of Saint Apostle. No vote na no. But you were in there on the vote. Now the vote in Munich, il the mandate of 4 years, even a few persons.
Yes, sir.
Posani be vote no see a common. And so that na the mercy or power of Gonya to the body movement. And cause of another we vote. Where you know 1 naira of 1,000 naira. Or the neighbor of it now. You will go voting. They matter tomorrow, you can get the bonus. You have a tie also. You have electricity. So because this issue of vote buy, this issue of no, you will not come out vote as a party. Let us please, can you reduce that? Let us, can you mobilize the dilemma? We go vote. And because they will be violent in this election, or something that will fall. Obviously, this party, many will fall on one. Only they can't, I will can win. People na party boss so. Nindelo na azwa election them omwe the talent abroad. Omwe the talent the government resolutely. Well, we need to move na kusa. Onu ndelo ni kwa ba we can na come. Because they keep an open well. The only thing many normal campaign. Only they can win the winning. We shall go right with
Yo, very good.
Yeah, very good. Thank you. Yeah.
Marathon.